Hello everyone. Today I am with Dr. Nigam Dave sir, Director, School of Liberal Studies, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay University, Gandhinagar. Hello sir, welcome to the College Dunia portal sir.
Thank you very much. Nice connecting with College Dunia and all the stakeholders.
Thank you sir. It's a pleasure to be on our platforms. So on that note, my questionnaire section, I'm starting my questionnaire section. Being the Director of School of Liberal Studies, PDPU, Gandhinagar, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style, sir?
I would say I would refer to the line of a very famous Hollywood movie which the young people can connect to is from Avengers, where there's a line, one is better than one. It means that only one person putting in the effort in the right direction is not enough. When different arms of the university work together as one unit towards a singular homogeneous goal, at that time the productivity comes very sharp, it becomes very smooth, and the desired results are achieved. And therefore, to put it very simply, we at PDPU, as in the form of different schools and within the form of school in itself, faculty and students, we all want to work together in the single direction.
That's very nicely explained, sir. So, being the Director of SLS PDPU Gandhinagar, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administrations of your school?
We do believe that disseminating information is not just enough that you be good, but also passing on the information through the proper platform is extremely essential. So let's say, for example, we are right now connecting with College Dunia, and I'm so very glad to connect with all the stakeholders. The strategy, we keep it very simple. We are what we have been doing, and the message of liberal studies and the liberal arts education, something that now the new national education policy is also advocating. We started that long back in 2009, and I'm so very glad to share that the 12th intake of the School of Liberal Studies also became very successful. So that's how we keep on engaging with stakeholders one-on-one, as well as with the platform like College Dunia, and we have a very clear roadmap and calendar of connecting with various stakeholders.
So, how does the curriculum of SLS PDPU Gandhinagar ensures the best practice of the industry?
I would say that when we talk about best practices, we also should be talking about next practices. So it's not just enough that we replicate the model that is already given by some US model, because at the end of the day, students need to have the global exposure and also need to maintain the local values. So the curriculum that we have is modeled on the best and next practices of all good universities, both in India as well as abroad. What we try to do is we want to provide horizontal as well as vertical understanding of different disciplines through transdisciplinary forays, and provide students that much needed time to understand what they are good at rather than forcing them in a silo. So that has been the effort. We have the 4-year structure of honors, BA, BBA, BCom and BSc program, and what we do is in the first 2 years we allow students to take a lot of electives and core courses and thereby understand what they are good at, and then in the last 2 years students prepare to settle for their major and minor, which is their principal subject and subsidiary subject.
It's very nicely explained, sir. Sir, any insights into how your university could be more welcoming to the students of different race and economic backgrounds, sir?
What we have done is we had always wanted to maintain a very good gender sensitization on campus, right from day one. I'm referring to August 2009 when we started the School of Liberal Studies. So with this effect, we introduced 50% reservation for girl students on the campus. So in all programs of School of Liberal Studies other than PhD, we have 50% reservation for girl students in the intake, and for the rest 50 also, girls can compete with boys on the basis of their entrance score. So that was one step we took in providing the inclusive atmosphere for both boys and girls, and also the infrastructure as well as the library and other material also are designed in such a way that any person with physical challenges can walk into the campus and be assimilated with the core group. So our idea of inclusivity is like that, and we have been providing earn while you learn opportunity on the campus also for socially economically challenged students.
That's very nicely explained, sir. On that note, my next question would be, what do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 5 years?
We would not want to think in terms of 5 years or 10 years, because the priorities of any university should be very simple. So what we do at PDPU, we are based on 3 pillars, and we want to continue our journey on those 3 pillars. One is preparing youth for tomorrow, because that tomorrow would also become tomorrow. So preparing youth for the tomorrow is an unending journey. There's no tomorrow exactly defined in terms of date. The second one is decarbonization and energy, green energy, and the third one is societal impact. So our eyes are very clearly set on the roadmap of where we want to be and how we want to be, and who would be the players and helping us achieve our goals.
So, sir, what was your vision for the university? Has it evolved over the time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you?
I said that the road to excellence is an ongoing journey. It is a continuous journey. So, if I say that we have reached a particular milestone, then the journey stops there. So, actually, this journey is an ongoing journey towards the road of excellence and providing the best to the stakeholders. So, we would not want to be complacent in saying that we have achieved certain goals.
That's very nicely explained, sir. So, my next question would be, what do you see as PDPU Gandhinagar as a greatest strength?
Any university's strength has to be 3P: people, processes, and place. People means who are the people who are driving the university. So I would say our board of governors, right from the president of the university, Dr. Mukesh Ambani, to all the stakeholders, including the director general of the university, the faculty, students, the parents group, the industry support. All of these people put together, they make the university what it is. So that first step is people. The second one is place. The PDPU infrastructure is something that is very good. We are environmental friendly because we have been promoting the message of green energy. So we have 1 megawatt solar power station on campus and about 300 mango trees on campus. Campus is lush green, and at the same time it is modeled on state-of-the-art infrastructure that is required for the conducive learning environment. And the third one would be the processes, the curriculum that we have reformed now aligning to I 4.0 and Education 4.0. So all this put together makes PDPU what it is. And of course the aspect of internationalization, we want all of the stakeholders to be the global citizen, and we want to provide global exposure to everybody.
That's very nicely explained and cover up all the points of PDPU, sir. So on that note, my last question would be, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students for this year?
I teach leadership to students of SLS, School of Liberal Studies, and when I teach leadership to them, I give them the mantra of 4 P's: purpose, promise, passion, and patience. So this is very, very, very required. I mean, the younger generation today is very smart. They are even far smarter than us. But what if they can complement that passion with patience, which somehow I find is slightly in a reduced form, then they all are capable of achieving the best of the best success and significance.
So that's it from our side, sir. So this is Dr. Nigam Dave, sir, Director of School of Liberal Studies, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya University, Gandhinagar. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us on College.
Thank you, and good luck to you all.